Alright guys, welcome back to Project Frankenstroke. The time has come. Let's take this thing for a ride. We've got the brakes sorted out and all the shocks and sway bars and everything connected. I think the time has come to take it on its maiden voyage out of the driveway. We ended up getting the brakes all sorted out. We've got good parking brakes here now. We've got working vacuum pump, so we've got power brakes like we should. I think it's time. Let's take this thing for a ride, shall we? Well, there we have it, guys. Maiden Voyage is complete. It smells a little bit like hot brakes. I don't know if that's actually brakes. I hope it's not clutch. I didn't push it very hard. Could just be the brakes burning some junk off of them after sitting for as long as it has. But it has made its way out the driveway and back successfully. So that feels like a big win. Hopefully the video doesn't make you too seasick. I apologize, there's not a real good way to mount anything in the truck here right now. I'm sure this wind noise is driving you crazy, so I will keep this short. But obviously there's more to be done on this. We've still got to put a bed on the back. We've got lots of little things to do yet. We've got exhaust work to do. Still may have to do something with the clutch master and slave. And a bunch of other little odds and ends, including putting the interior back together. All that's got to go back into place, as well as doing some work on the windows, getting the carpet back in it, cleaning the seats up. There's a lot of work left to do, but just the ability to be able to move it out of the garage, take it up to the gas station and put some fuel in it here when the time comes is certainly progress. Several steps in the right direction. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this project, please do subscribe to the channel, and we'll try to get this thing finished up here as time allows. Thanks for watching.